Namaskar. Today I am going to talk about a challenge which world is facing. According to some recent studies, around 44% of global adult population is either overweight or obese. And what is even more surprising is that over 70% of these individuals live in low to middle income countries including India. Due to increase in sedentary lifestyle and food choices, weight management is becoming a struggle for many. Being overweight doesn't just affect our physical health but also impacts our mental well-being. It may also lead to a feeling of anxiety, tension, and depression. Today, I am going to share yet simple and powerful morning drink that will help you kickstart your weight loss journey or improve it if you are already on the path. To make this amazing mint ginger fusion drink, you will need 1 glass of water, 1/4 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, and 1 teaspoon of honey, which is optional. Once all these ingredients are kept ready, heat 1 glass of water in a pan. Heat the water until it is hot but not boiling. Hot water is perfect for dissolving all the ingredients. Pour this warm water into a cup and grate a small piece of ginger, about 1/4 teaspoon in it. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder into this mixture, and sprinkle a pinch of crushed black pepper. And now squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves for refreshing flavor. This is good to drink. But if you prefer little sweeter taste, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Stir all these ingredients well until it is mixed nicely. Let this mixture sit for a minute to allow the flavors to blend. Sip this concoction first in the morning on an empty stomach for 15 days. It's a refreshing way to start your day and get your metabolism going. It's also tasty and so good for you. After 15 days, reduce the frequency to twice a week. Ginger and apple cider vinegar boost metabolism, help in digestion, and supports weight loss. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C and helps detoxify the body. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin in it. Cinnamon helps in regulating blood sugar level. All these ingredients work together to boost your metabolism, aids in digestion, and help your body to detox, making it easier to lose extra fat. Pay attention to what and how much you eat. Listen to your body's hunger signal and avoid overeating. Practice mindful eating. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Incorporate some physical activity and asanas every day, and have quality sleep of 7 to 8 hours every night. Remember, weight loss is not just about looking good, but feeling good too. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small wins along the way. Incorporate these tips into your routine, and you will not only just see changes in your weight, but in your overall health and well-being. Namaskar.